What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1971 Chevelle. This one here has, I believe, to be 350 up under the hood. Nice clean motor. Should be a good test drive. It's got power steering, front disc brakes, drum in the rear. I'm going to be going down the road pointing out any kind of flaws that I could find so you know exactly how this car drives before you get here. When I get back, I'll be doing a walk around pointing out any kind of flaws on the outside, inside, underneath, that trunk area, and under the hood. So be looking for that video. It's separate from this. Both of them are going to be almost 15 minutes long. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day, or at least I try to. And maplemotors.com has financing and shipping information, so definitely go to that website. That is our main website. There is other replica sites out there, so please go to maplemotors.com and avoid looking at old inventory. All right, go ahead and shut the hood. We're getting ready to take off. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, before I take off, we're gonna look around, check some stuff out on the interior. Does have bucket seats, nice and clean in here. Like I said, check out the description video to get into detail on everything. But go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? It's a little game we like to play. Starts up nice and quiet. Got a temp gauge under the dash here. I actually like that gauge. Showing 67,000 miles on the dash. I cannot stand behind that. This is a 71 model. Go ahead and try the radio. Sounds like radio's cutting on. I don't believe there's AC on this one, but the blower motor's working, so we should have some heat. Windshield wipers are working. Horn, you ready? It works. Hey, we're going up this week. Almost every one of them have worked. Checking the dash out. There's a little crack in the dash. They do make covers and pads and replacement parts for these cars online. They're everywhere, so yes, if you're wondering about how to get parts for these cars, they're everywhere. The carpet looks a little bit older. Like I said, you can get carpet for these cars as well. It's easy to put in. All right, guys, tax coming up. Let's take off. Okay, guys, before we take off, go put my seatbelt on. We do have one in this car. If you ever come to this lot, pull next door. We own both parking lots. A lot of times I get trapped in trying to do my videos or going on test drives, just kind of like this scenario here where I'm cutting it close on this Mercedes or Lexus. That's what it is. We don't deal in those type of cars. They're nice, but I'm used to all this old stuff. But you definitely don't want to hit your car, and it kind of blocks up the lot. So if you don't know, now you do. We're gonna take off down the road. Any flaws that I see, I'm gonna let you know. I'm trying not to miss anything. Gas gauge is moving around, already indicating that it's working. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. It feels smooth as we going down the road here. Going straight as an arrow. And the steering's nice and tight. Engine temp's at 170 now, so let's kick it. The kick down is hooked up on this one. Still nice and smooth going down the road. Let's try the brakes. Brakes are stopping fast. Suspension doesn't feel too bad. It's not super smooth, but it's not in bad shape at all. Turn signals, both of them are popping up on the dash here. Oh, they got the tack strapped around there. I'd have to mount that somewhere else. It's moving with the columns, so I would probably mount it below the dash. A little hesitation there. Kind of gunned it, so shifting nice and smooth. Just for giggles, you think the lighter works? That's something else you can bet on at home. I got it on. Let's see what happens. The clock don't work on this one. Most of the time they go out. Let's see if this thing's working. It is! It's hot! Down on her and slam the brakes. That's another good example of a nice cruiser. Not a super fast hot rod, still got plenty of power with the 350, but everything's nice and smooth and in working condition. All right, we'll pull up in this parking lot. We're gonna get some outside shots. Check out all my gear below. It's in the description. You can see all the links. I even put links down there from where I bought the stuff. So if you're interested in buying it, you can. Let's get these outside shots. All right, got y'all set up in the driver's seat again on the window. If you don't mind, I'm kind of mixing it up. Let me know if you like the window better than the head cam. I think both of them provide a great angle, but sometimes it's cool to look around the car with me. Hopefully you feel like you're driving now. Let me lean you down a little. That looks a lot better. See, I got you on my phone. All right, we're pulling out of here. Everything's so far so good. I don't have any lights popping up. The motor's staying nice and cool. It's at 190. We got a butterfly on the front of the hood. He's hanging on for dear life. He's still on there. That's crazy. What speed will he fly? Oh, there he goes. Car's nice and smooth, straight down the road. Running and driving wise, there's not really any flaws. It had that hesitation upon initial throttle, but it's warmed up and it seems to have gone away. I'm coming up on that road with a nice little speed bump in it. This one's got good suspension. You can listen for rattles, shakes, and all. That's just a good time to take all that in consideration. See if that flat spot's still on the front of the car. It is. Bump's coming up right here. Pretty smooth. All right, we gotta wait for this light here, but I'm getting ready to pull back in the lot. We're right here down the road. We got a lot of traffic coming, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you I got a walk around video getting ready to come at the end of this one, so be looking for that. And I do appreciate y'all riding along. If you enjoyed this experience, hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys. All right, guys, hang around to the end of the video. I got something special that I did this time I don't normally do, but go ahead, check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. We got a whole car lot full of classic muscle cars. I'm gonna be trying to knock out a whole bunch of them today. That way I can get these cars on here early for you. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Thanks again. Guys, for some of y'all that don't know, I've been kind of building a music page. I've been doing music my whole life. This is kind of an extra credit thing here for the video, but check it out. It's Southgate Production. It's a YouTube channel on here. I know some of y'all like the music at the beginning of the videos. I do a lot of rock, country. It's just kind of the style. Sometimes I'll branch off, do some other stuff. But yeah, I wrote a song last night. I haven't really done anything with it. See what y'all think. I just kind of been singing it all day, so I figured, hey, I'm gonna throw in the video and see what happens. I'm probably gonna get bashed for it. I fell down 1,000 times. It helps keep me in line. I'm pushing all I know so that I can reach my goals. Working all the time. I'll rest to ease my mind. I don't even need the road, but I can do this on my own. How do you know when you've never been? I know I won't be wasting any chances this time. Go take a road that you've never been, and tell me this is life. Now tell me this is life. But yeah, it's just something I wrote when I got home last night. I was working on the truck, grabbed my guitar, messing around. I am an artist at heart, man. I've been doing that since I was 15. I thought that's what I was gonna do at first, you know. I think everybody did as a musician when they're young. But I wanted to let you know I am building a little page. I do got a lot of music. I write songs at least once a week, and a ton of it I've never put out. Just kind of don't think it's good enough, I guess. But hopefully y'all don't bash me too hard. It was just kind of a wing of the moment. I figured I'd throw it on here. Appreciate y'all watching. Check that out, Southgate Production. I got it here on YouTube. Small channel right now. Hopefully it'll get bigger. Y'all have a good one.